Hi, I'm Dr. David Green, CEO of the US Lead Network, the country's leading source for healthcare internet marketing services. So today the topic of discussion is my book. Now, I worked on it for a few years and it came out recently, and it's called Healthcare Internet Marketing, the Ultimate Guide for Medical and Dental Providers and Practices. So the history behind the book, very briefly, is I owned a pain clinic in Phoenix for years, and we obtained 80% of our patients off the internet through my efforts of trial and error, figuring out what works and what doesn't. And that's the basis for how I wrote the book. And the reason why I wrote the book is I don't want other practices to have to make all the same mistakes that I did. I learned how to do blogs, how to do articles, how to do press releases, how to make videos like I'm making right now, how to do pay-per-click. You know, things that can cost you a lot of time and money if you do them improperly. But I did all that, okay? And that's what forms the basis of the book. Now, what most practices will see is that while the information in the book is great, they don't have time for it because they're busy seeing patients. And they want to see more patients because, you know what, that's what generates revenue, okay? So what my company does is exactly what's outlined in the book. And that is, basically you'll outsource it to us and we'll do the videos, the press releases, the blogging, the articles, and get your website to the top of the search engines. But not just that, also get you patients from off the page, off the website, through the other mechanisms that we do, okay? I'd be happy to get you a copy complimentary of my book. Just call for a 30-minute consult. We can talk about the needs that you have, or you can buy the book on Amazon as well. It's 400 pages. It's a ton of information on the things I just mentioned, but also gives a lot of basics on websites, internet marketing, on the pages of your website versus off the pages, tying it all together, monitoring your campaign, things like that, okay? So check out my website at usleadnetwork.net. There's a great case study on there. There's a lot of information about what we do and some excellent videos. I'm Dr. David Green with the US Lead Network.